Hello my friend, this video will teach you how to use the grinder. Here are 3 things must be noticed before use. First, cover the lid. Press down here and you can hear tick. That's right. Second, make sure the switch is on off position. Third, install the grinder like this way. And this is the only right position. And now you can see the blue lights stop blinking. And it can work. But if you find the blue lights are still blinking, take off the cover and install it again. Now stop and it can work.